Mass and energy are both distinct forms of the same fundamental thing, a concept that might feel unfamiliar to the average mind. What if I told you that reality isn't exactly what you think it is, that your mind possesses a force so potent it can alter energy, shape your future, and transform you into an unstoppable force, and yet you've been kept in the dark about it? But it's not a top-secret discovery. Research in quantum physics and ancient hidden knowledge demonstrate that your thoughts are more than just ideas. They energy waves that shape the world around you in real time. And here's the kicker: 99% of people are programmed to weaken themselves. They unknowingly drain their own power, sabotage their potential, and live their lives at a fraction of what they're truly capable of. But today is different. Today you break free. In the next few minutes, you'll learn the exact method to take control of this hidden force that some of the most powerful people in history have used to manipulate reality at will. This isn't just self-help, it's quantum proof. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to override the mental programming that keeps you weak, activate the hidden part of your mind they never wanted you to access, and step into a level of power that most will never experience. This isn't a theory, it's a system. Once you understand it, there's no going back. If you feel like you were born for something greater, as though an untapped force inside you is waiting to be unleashed, this is your moment. But be warned, once you open this door, you can never unsee what lies beyond. Are you ready? Then let's begin. Most people think of reality as fixed, that life just happens to them, and their circumstances are beyond their control. But that is one of the biggest lies ever told. Quantum physics has already proven that your mind is not simply reacting to reality, it's actually creating it in the double-slit experiment. Scientists discovered something both inspiring and terrifying: particles behave differently depending on whether they're being observed. Think about that for a moment. This means that the act of observing something can actually change what it is. If a particle, the fundamental building block of reality, can be influenced by consciousness, what does that mean for your thoughts, emotions, and the energy you put out every day? It means that your focus literally shapes the world around you. But here's where it gets even crazier. You've probably heard of Schrödinger's cat, but most people don't realize how deeply it applies to their own lives. In this thought experiment, a cat is placed in a box with a radioactive atom. The atom could decay and kill the cat, or it might not. The cat is both alive and dead until someone opens the box and looks inside. This proves something mind-blowing: until a decision is made, until reality is observed, everything exists as a wave of infinite possibilities. What does this mean for you? It means that right now every possible version of your life already exists. The wealthy you, the unstoppable you, the highly successful you, the version of you that has already mastered energy control. All of those realities are waiting for you to choose them, but most people never do because they're stuck observing the same version of reality over and over. Not anymore. Right now, let's prove to yourself that you already have control over your reality. Follow these steps right now. Choose one area of your life where you feel stuck: money, love, health, success, confidence. Write down how you currently perceive it. For example, I struggle with money. Write down the exact opposite version of this reality. For example, money flows to me effortlessly. For the next 60 seconds, visualize yourself in that new reality, feeling the emotions as if it's already true. Let it sink into your subconscious. Reflect on what just happened in the last 60 seconds. You shifted your focus, which means you shifted the energy around you. If you continue this daily, your reality will begin to physically change. This is how energy control begins, but this is just the first step. In the next section, we'll go deeper, and I'll show you how your brain functions as a quantum computer designed to reshape the universe. Most people have been conditioned to think that thoughts are just passive ideas inside their heads, but this is completely false. Thoughts aren't passive. They are real forces of energy that actively interact with the world around you. Your mind doesn't just process internal experiences, it broadcasts energetic signals into the quantum field. shaping reality in ways you've never been taught to understand. Science has confirmed that your brain works like a quantum computer, capable of processing millions of energetic calculations per second. And here's where it gets even more surprising. Your thoughts don't just exist in your brain, they extend beyond your body and into the very structure of reality itself. Inside your neurons, scientists have discovered microtubes, tiny twig structures that seem to